The sort command is a powerful text processing utility that arranges lines of text files in alphabetical or numerical order. It supports various options for customizing sort behavior, handling different data types, and processing complex data sets. The basic syntax is sort, followed by options, then the file or files. The sort command by default sorts lines alphabetically, is case-sensitive, uses the entire line for sorting, and outputs to standard output, which is usually your terminal. Consider an example input file named fruits.txt, containing apple, banana, orange, grape, kiwi. A basic sort command like sortfruits.txt will output banana, grape, apple, kiwi, orange. Note that uppercase letters come before lowercase letters in the default sort order. Use the F option to perform case-insensitive sorting. This ignores the difference between uppercase and lowercase letters when sorting. If we use the same input file, fruits.txt containing apple, banana, orange, grape, kiwi. A case-insensitive sort, using the command sort ffruits.txt, outputs apple, banana, grape, kiwi, orange. With the F option, apple and banana are sorted alphabetically regardless of their case. Use the R option to reverse the sort order. This displays results in descending order instead of the default ascending order. For a standard sort in ascending order, using the input file fruits.txt, the command sort fruits.txt gives us banana, grape, apple, kiwi, orange. Now for a reverse sort in descending order, using the command sort our fruits.txt, we obtain orange, kiwi, apple, grape, banana. Pro tip: you can combine options like sort, RF, for reverse case-insensitive sorting. Use the N option to sort numerically instead of alphabetically. Let's look at an input file called numbers.txt, containing the numbers 10 to 100, 5, 1. A default sort, which is alphabetical, using the command sort numbers.txt would output 1, 10, 100, 2, 5. However, a numeric sort, using the command sort nnumbers.txt, outputs 1, 2, 5, 10, 100. Important: without the N option, numbers are sorted as strings, character by character, which is also known as lexicographically. Use the H option for human-readable numbers, such as 2 kilobytes or 1 megabyte. This is useful for sorting file sizes with suffixes like KB, MB, and GB. Consider an input file called sizes.txt with the following content: 2K, 1M, 15K, 100M, 3G. To perform human numeric sort, use the command sort hsizes.txt. The output will be 2K, 15K, 1M, 100M, 3G. The H option understands size suffixes like K for kilobyte, M for megabyte, G for gigabyte, and so on, and sorts them correctly by their actual numeric values. Use the K option to sort by a specific column or field. The format is K, followed by the field number. For the input file employees.txt, which contains John 35 developer, Alice 28 designer, Bob 42 manager, Eva 31 engineer, Mike 39 analyst, to sort by age, which is the second column, the command is sort K2nemployees.txt. The output is Alice 28 designer, Eva 31 engineer, John 35 developer, Mike 39 analyst, Bob 42 manager. Remember that we added N to sort the second column numerically. By default, fields are separated by white space. Use the U option to remove duplicate lines after sorting. For example, let's start with an input file called colors.txt containing red, blue, green, red, yellow, blue, orange. A standard sort using the command sort colors.txt would give us blue, blue, green, orange, red, red, yellow. But a unique sort using the command sort ucolors.txt would result in blue, green, orange, red, yellow. Tip: the U option is similar to piping the output to the unit command, but more efficient. For example, sort colors.txt, pipe to unique. For multiple sort keys, use the command sort K33K2N employees.txt. This sorts by job title, then by age. To sort with a custom delimiter, use the command sort K2 data CSV. This sorts a CSV file by the second column. To check if a file is sorted, use the command sort tfile.txt, which returns the status only, with no output if sorted. Here's a summary of key sort options. N is for numeric sort. H is for human-readable numeric sort. R is for reverse order. F is for case-insensitive sort. U is for unique, which means remove duplicates. K is to sort by a specific field or column. E is to specify a field separator. O is to write the output to a file, and M is to sort by month name. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.